Let's take a simple sentence. Is čads erst irgendwie? He is writing in a book. This is lesson 1 about basic conjugation in Georgian. And this lesson is brought to you by kartuliena.eu, the Georgian language universe. First, what about the subject? Is čads erst irgendwie? He is writing in a book. Actually, it can also mean she is writing in a book, because is in Georgian can both mean he and she as well, or it. So what about the verb? Čads erst. It actually consists of 3 parts here: ča, cer, and s. The actual verb is in the middle, cer. This is called the root. Cer means to write. In other verbs, for example in chedavin, it is ched, which means to see. Or in kitrulot, it is kitrul, it means to read. And it is very important that you can find the root in a verb when you are reading a new text, for example, because according to the root you can find the verb in a dictionary. This needs practice. In front of the verb a prefix, or in Georgian it's called a preverb, ča in this case. This is a specifier which specifies a specific meaning of the verb. Čads erst means to write into something. With the preverb gada, in gadac erst, it means to write something somewhere else, to copy something. Without a preverb, or with the preverb da, it just means to write something. So we already know the subject in our sentence, but in Georgian the subject is also marked in the verb itself, before and after the verb. So it's another prefix and also with suffixes. For example, me vcer, I write, without any subject markers. In shencer, it means you write. With the s in istcers, it means he or she or it writes. Čven vcert, so it's v and t, it means we write. Tkven cert, you write, the plural you. Isini cerin, they write. So everything marked in red here is a subject marker. In our sentence, is čads erst irgendwie, we don't have a real object. Irgendwie comes from irgendwie, the book, and the suffix she, the preposition, means into, in. Irgendwie, it means just into the book or inside the book, in the book. Often it's called the postposition in Georgian grammars because it comes after the word, so it's not actually a preposition, but since in English or German we know this as prepositions, we just call it here like this. So same in sachli, the house, with she, sachl she, it means into the house or in the house. So we learned a couple of things today. The subjects, marked by is in this case, the verb root, the preverbs, subject markers. Find out more about this at kartuliena.eu/verb or /prepositions. This lesson was brought to you by kartuliena.eu, the Georgian language universe. If you like this video, give it a like. You might even want to subscribe to the channel. See you next time. ונח במדיסטה שייך ודרמדה.